International Women's Day is official. Sakang bibat tana nupi singi khenaba khanghanaba pangthokba malemgi oina graced with the presence of Professor Dr. And approaching towards the finishing line. With a big round of applause. Congratulations.
Scheduled for 8th, but National Sports University is very keen in celebrating the International Women's Day, because women, if we can empower women, get women more active, we could find that women could be more productive. And Manipur being the powerhouse of sports, I find there's a lot of talents among the children and the youth, and especially with women. And here you have seen now we have almost 250 female participants who have come to participate in a 5-kilometer run, which I do not find would be common anywhere across in the country. So I think Manipur would be a model for the others, and I'm sure from this we can definitely have more of Olympian champions emerging from this particular field. So this run is not just for health, it is also a health, it is for empowering, it is also where a career, and at the same time you find it is sending a message across that women can do it at any age. Now we have girls to reaching to 72 plus age is the one who has participated. So I think it's something which should be going across, and let us all celebrate and let us work together and empower women. And I'm sure if we empower women, the society will be empowered, and in turn the community will be empowered. This is the message sent, and hats off to Manipur, because Manipur is an exceptional state with so much of freedom given to women, which I think no other states happen to see, and that you happen to see right here. And a very safe place for women to exercise, to train, and I think the overall personality develops and the health in turn improves. So I think here every woman has a hope and a dream, which I think is realized in Manipur, and I wish the other states follow it. Thank you.
Ngasi International Women's Day mari leinana NSU na Sinba marathon 5 kilometers ki marathon race ni nearly about 250 around the participants yaure aduga yamna nungaiba amasung yamna puning thoguningai oiba event ni habi ai akoi sumbase mafam khudingda akoi NSU na busu orusu sai na orusu adigi youth affairs and sports Manipur na orusu sumba mayam mathang sinnawi pandamda akoi matam gi events ka mai leinana akoi hona jagani haiba thamjari.